I know for sure that I want to do with this gun is convert the pistol grip stock to a straight grip stock. And we're going to go ahead and get started on that. As you can see here, this gun has the pistol grip style stock, and I want to cut it off from here and come down and meet it right here and follow it on down the line, make it nice and straight. So first thing we're going to have to do here, make sure it's unloaded. It is. But the bottom tang here on these is actually pretty thick on these. They use the same tang. They have to add more metal to it as they do on the 1895s and other guns with the straight stocks. So we're going to have to take the stock off, and the tang actually goes down to about right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the stock off. We're going to shut the lever again, put the gun up, and I'm going to go ahead and put my camera up somewhere where you can see a little better. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and take this screw out right here. Set it right down here. And that should allow us to remove the buttstock. Now that the buttstock is removed, you can see what I'm talking about with that lower tang being thicker down at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and remove the lever and the lower tang and get ready to put it on our mill. Then we're going to take the lever off this gun. We're going to open it about halfway. We're going to take that flathead screwdriver I just had. Here it is. We're going to pull this screw out inside the lever right here. Take this screw out. That'll allow us to move the lever. And then we can pull the bolt straight out from there. And after that, we have another screw here in the front of the receiver. And we'll go ahead and pull it out. We're going to pull this one out of the back. Right here, we might need a better screwdriver for that one. Pull this one out of the back. I dropped the hammer before I do that. Before we take that off, let's probably go ahead, because that screw also holds the hammer. And I'm going to have to remove the hammer spring. That way there's no tension on it. Now we can take that screw out. Allow the hammer to come up and out of there. We're going to have one more screw over here on this side plate. We'll remove it. Set it over there. That should allow us to take the bottom of the receiver and rear tang right out the gun. Okay, so now we have a 1895 model Marlin that has the straight grip. And here is the tang from the 336 with the pistol grip. And as you can see from about the back of the retainer for the hammer spring back, is about the only place there's any difference. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take a caliper and measure the thickness right here. I'm going to draw a scribe line on here. I'm going to chuck it in the mill and grind it off and try to convert it into a straight grip tang. Okay, so now we have a 1895 model Marlin that has the straight grip. And here is the tang from the 336 with the pistol grip. And as you can see from about the back of the retainer for the hammer spring back, is about the only place there's any difference. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take a caliper and measure the thickness right here. I'm going to draw a scribe line on here. I'm going to chuck it in the mill and grind it off and try to convert it into a straight grip tang. Alright, so we got it all chucked up in the mill and we're going to go ahead and start cutting. This is actually my first time ever using this mill, so I'm not going to be doing very good on it. Alright guys, just finishing up this video. We have successfully converted the 336 pistol grip Tang to accept a 1895 straight lever. I only have one hand since I'm filming with the other hand. I can't open. Actually, I might be able to open it for you. It opens. You can see where I took off the metal. After milling, I actually still had to do quite a bit of filing on it, but I'm not real comfortable with this mill, and I didn't want to take too much off, so I finished it off with a file. When I get back over to the house, I'm going to finish it off with a stone and reinstall it on the gun, and the next video we'll get started on cutting the stock to a straight grip. Alrighty, so we got the bottom plate reinstalled on the gun. We did not put any of the guts back in it, so we're going to be taking it apart again to work on it more later. As you can see how much metal I took off there. You can see where the pistol grip lever has about 3/4 of an inch of gap there. One of the next projects is going to be, I plan on leaving the bottom of the lever alone, right here. I'm cutting it here on the top and here, and bringing this up to right here. I'm going to redesign the loop in the end on the bottom of the lever. Come back up in here to allow for my big hands. I can barely get 3 fingers in there. The next project is going to be to cut the pistol grip off the stock. You can see somewhere in there. Maybe. Yeah, right there. You can see where I scribed the line where it has to be cut at. So it's going to be cut straight across like that. Unfortunately, this project's gotten put on hold for a while. I just got offered a job in Idaho, and I have to go to Idaho for a while to work. I don't know if it's going to be 2 weeks or 3 years. And unfortunately, I can't take this project with me since I'm taking my travel trailer and my pickup. So as soon as I get back from this job, I will be getting back to work on this project. And I will be doing a video on the stock next. We're going to go ahead and cut the stock, sand it down, and get it shaped to the new Tang. And that'll be the next step of the project. And then we'll probably do the lever after that. And then probably refinish the stock and forearm. And then get the metal ready to refinish. I want to fill in this old sight groove. I want to fill in this ugly lettering. And I'm going to try to make a new, I got a lathe. I'm going to try to make a new safety. But since I'm left-handed, the safety always gets bumped into and then it won't go off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you will be here to watch the rest of the series when I finally get it up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.